try and get my screen here. All right, you should see now, we're at the point, you should see a slide now. This is TechCast Days, Save the Date with Analytics Plus. Somebody can confirm that's what you see?
Yes, Dan, we see it.
Yes.
All right, so at this point, we've heard about Oracle Analytics at Hartford Healthcare. We've heard about Oracle Analytics to predict fraud. The next one, you've got a little bit of a 5-minute break here before embedding Oracle Analytics, democratize your data and make it transparent for all. But I'll thank my other co-hosts that are keeping track of questions and such, Edelweiss, Cameraman, and Brendan Doyle on this. And with that, let me go ahead and fire this, because for people that have joined later, you didn't get to see the video.
Look, up in the cloud. It's a bird.
It's a plane.
It's Analytics Plus. Yes, it's Analytics Plus.
So hopefully that played through with the audio, but thanks, Brendan, for putting that together. We have a little bit of a time now where I can share just some useful links and resources that you can have. We are promoting something called our Analytics and Data Oracle User Community Slack workspace. This is where you can get in touch with various peers. There's already discussion topics that have been kicked off in there talking about various sessions. You can talk with find other local Oracle user groups, ask your questions, that type of thing. You can share all of that. We have a dedicated channel within the Slack workspace for ANDOUC. Within that is the analytics channel. There are other channels for our friends in the spatial community, the graph community, machine learning community, and so forth. And talk on those various channels on specific topic-oriented areas. You can also suggest topics for future webcasts and conferences. Maybe you'd like to present at the next upcoming TechCast Days, or we do have a series of TechCasts that we put on. How do you join that? Here's a link. We'll put that in the chat. You should find that in the chat to join. Just know that Slack, if you're using it, is set up for multiple workspaces. We use it, for instance, at my own company to talk amongst our consultants, but then there's one that is this ANDOUC is the name of it. You can add that as yet another workspace, and within that are channels. You can use it both as a application that you install, or you can have it with a web interface. You don't even need to install the Slack client, but it makes it more accessible if you install it as a client. You can put in the general workspace a quick hello, something about yourself. People are joining right now during the TechCast, and we're kind of addressing that as people say hello. We encourage you to do that as well. Here's some other links that we wanted to make sure that we share on this. You can see in the Oracle Analytics library are some demos. If you're wondering how you can use this technology to further your business, you can go through some of those demos and see how others have done stuff. You can also run OAC live, no sign up required, no user ID, no password. You just go on and immediately use it at this demos.html. You can see the full link here. There's also some training available from Udemy. This is all free, at least last time I looked, on augmented analytics and machine learning analytics. This kind of serves as an intro to the analytics type area. I'll also point out there's places, if you're looking for features in the software, there's an Oracle Analytics Idea Lab. You can navigate to that from this URL, oracle.com/analyticsideas. And if you want to know about Fusion Analytic Warehouse, there's stuff for there, and request enhancements for there. We also have a YouTube channel. And on the YouTube channel, that's where we provide all of the previous TechCasts. Those are available both on our website at analyticsanddatasummit.org or andouc.org. They go the same place. You'll find a button for TechCasts, and you'll find all that information there. Speaking of TechCasts, you can see we have a rolling agenda of them roughly every 2 weeks or so, depending on the calendar. And we have one coming up on October 22nd. and then another on November 5th. You can see all of the topics are listed in here. We generally list the previous one in this lower right-hand corner. All of those are available. The replays are available either through our website at this URL or by on our YouTube channel, make them freely available as well. I'll also point out, if you enjoy these types of webcasts, we are doing this again, TechCast Days. The winter session is coming up. We'll have to have some kind of winter theme for that, I guess. Or maybe we'll want a summer theme by then. But look at our website, andouc.org, and the various social media channels for more details on that. We even have, and if you want to speak at that, you can submit an abstract for that. And for those that are QR code people, you can actually share your experience in here. I'll just a quick plug, if you want to share what you think of the Oracle Analytics products, or with the Gartner Peer Insights product review, you can snap that on your phone. It's a very quick process, and be able to review the product and help out those in the community. I do have one other thing that I want to share. Need to know a little bit of, you know, we did this before, a little bit of fun, name the superheroes. So from these outlines, I just want to see in chat, put in there, who do you think these people are from those outlines? And I want to know if anybody has any of that. You should be able to find the chat on here. I think this is
Sonny and Matt were fast out the gates.
yeah, look at that. What do we have?
Look at this.
There we go.
All right,
We've
well,
got
wow,
some
that was,
correct answers.
man, that was too fast. I thought that was harder. I thought the
That's-
Wolverine was the dead giveaway, but Silver Surfer and Wolverine.
All right.
Well done.
So, there we are. With that, let me go ahead and we're at 30 past.